Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today is Thursday, March 26th, and I'm standing out here to show you the cheater panel of the beautiful Peter Rabbit quilt kit that I'm going to be showing you in just a minute. Or Peter Rabbit and Benjamin Bunny, I suppose. It is a large quilt. I can barely hold it up. So now that you've seen it, let's come over here. This is the kit, Peter's Garden Adventure Kit. Look how beautiful that is. Join Peter Rabbit and Benjamin Bunny on their adventures through Mr. McGregor's garden as you make this delightful kit. Your kit includes a Benjamin Bunny picture book by Beatrix Potter, a keepsake box, the pattern by Bluebird Patterns, and 100% cotton for the quilt top and binding. So you have a bunch of fabric in there, you can see. And I love these boxes. Look at that, with a hop, skip, and a jump. You could definitely keep all your baby things in this box. Especially if it's not your first baby and you don't get around to doing it until they're like 15. I don't know what I'm talking about. So the finished size of the quilt is 68 by 77, and it's a really sweet quilt with lots of pretty colors. Let's see if I can show you a little bit up close. So you can see a little bit of it up close. Yeah. And then here's the piecing that you'd be doing with the other parts. Very, very cute. And I'm very excited to share that our All Blueridge Shop Hop magazines are here. Again, the All Blueridge Shop Hop is a brand new one this year that includes North Carolina, Virginia, and West Virginia. And we have them for sale. If you've pre-ordered with us, we'll be getting those out to you probably today. And if you pre-ordered for pickup in the store, they are now here. This is your passport to the All Blueridge Shop Hop. So in the middle, you've got your passport spots, and you get a stamp or a sticker for every spot you visit. And the more spots you visit, the more things you are in the running to win. And then there are patterns within the magazine based on the fabric that's going to be coming out. And there's lots of good stuff. Look at that. Yum. So yeah, I'm excited to get mine. Susan's excited for hers. And so they're here. And again, that shop starts on May 1st. The shop hop starts on May 1st. And then we have Echo, May 1st to June 30th, 2 months. And then we have Echo. Welcome to Echo, Echo, Echo. This collection features a large-scale, playful design in 13 vibrant colorways, bringing all the dynamic energy your projects have been waiting for. Keep it whole and let the woven ombre braids be the star of the show, or cut it up to transform it into a striking, abstract tonal element. And this is by Emily Van Hoff for Moda. I feel like we should open one up so we can see what happens to the design along the width or the length of the fabric. Look how pretty that is. It really would be fun. It would also be fun to cut these big swaths as border strips. Very exciting. And so we have a few more colors here to share. Ooh, look at that vibrant orange. Kind of makes your eyes burn. Along with the pollen that we have here in the area. I don't know, if you're not local, you need to look up North Carolina pollen. We call it the pollening here. And it is in full force currently, which is why I sound a little stuffy, because despite allergy shots and Zyrtec and Sudafed, I still suffer from the pollening. So hopefully it will be over soon. I think we are expecting some rain tomorrow, which will knock it down. Oh, that's a pretty color too. I hope you guys have a great afternoon, and we'll see you back here from the shop tomorrow. Bye.